All right, guys, so we woke up this morning to a beautiful sunrise. The storm clouds did move in later on, but the evening proved to have a gorgeous sunset. Took the drone out, started chasing down some of these big boats offshore. I'm actually standing in front of that condo right there on the beach. Look at that bad boy. They always think they can outrun me, but nobody can outrun me. Oh yeah, I got you, son. I got you. You ain't gonna outrun me. Look at that. Wow. I gotta get me one of those. Look at that sunset. Absolutely gorgeous. We finished it up at the jetty with a selfie of the fam. Till next time.